My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Peugeot 2008. This vehicle has done just over 21,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control and our automatic headlights. On the right, we have automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, climate control, navigation, our driving functions and vehicle settings, Bluetooth, Apple and Android CarPlay, and our flow, statistics and charge. If you put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. We have 3 different driving modes to choose from, starting with Eco, Normal and Sport. Now as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.